everybody, welcome to Box City Halloween Special. In the previous episode I made two little friends, a boy and a girl, and their pet bunny. And since it's Halloween, I have made them costumes so that they can go trick-or-treating. Let's put them on. Yeah, cute little devil. Oh ho ho, scary black ghost. And pumpkin bunny. I know that they are planning to visit this very house soon. Usually they get lots of candy. Now, why don't we give them a little surprise? I myself have been pranked many times, like in this video. You're stuck. Now I'm the one to prank. Let's change this pretty house with a pumpkin house. And instead of this guy opening the door, some new guys have moved in. Let me show you how I made it. I start with a basic house as I have shown you in a previous episode. Then we cut out the windows and doors. There. Then I painted orange all over like a huge pumpkin. Then I've made a pumpkin stalk like this. Then let's glue them on. Then we draw on the pumpkin stripes. I'm using a colored pencil. I'm starting in the middle with a straight line, straight down. And then we paint in the lines with some brown paint. Then when it's dry, we add some shading along the lines. Brings out the three-dimensional effect of the shape of the pumpkin. And then a lighter orange in the middle to bring out the highlights, you know, to get the real three-dimensionality in there. Oh no, they're coming! Oh, and here's how I drew the monsters. Quickly, grab your pencils. Monsters are easy to draw. You just gotta keep them simple. So let's take this swamp thing, for instance. I can just draw a sort of a simple shape like this. Scary eyes. Nose is just two little dots. And then basically a mouth going down like this. And then we make it a bit zigzaggy so that it's more scary. And some, you know, swampy things coming down. And that's all you really need. And then you have this ghost-like thingy. It's just a sort of a shape, very simple shape coming down like that. Two little dots for eyes, simple mouth like this, and then simple arms with some claws at the end, and that's it. Then you have Skull Man, and he's just a huge skull. A skull you can draw like this, the teeth here, and then the lower jaw, same sort of evil eyebrows, and a little nose. Then a whole bunch of ribs, rib cage, shoulder joints, elbow, and hands. And then the same thing on this side. And then I just inked them in. Oh no, they're getting closer. Better hurry up. Then we add some color. Let me put some color on the swamp thing. Bright green. And some strawberry sauce around the mouth of the ghost. Yeah, I've been dripping a bit. There. And then I cut them out and put on little cardboard chips at the end so that they can stand up. Quickly, let's hide before they come.